A poem I wrote about bullying. Sticks and stones. Sticks and stones, broken bones. There's a lost soul who cries in the distance. For the hearts have been broken. People have been beaten, and they are unsure about living. For the nice girl quiet in the back of the class, she gets bullied and everyone laughs. Wonder why she has no friends? She's a harmless girl who just wants to blend. Ugly, mean, gross, the words of jealousy. But she listens, thinking it's all true. One night she took a knife and sharpened it twice, and cut. As it continued, she cut more. She decided to take her life. Bleach, pills, and a rope. Now she's gone. Gone, gone, gone. And there's nothing we can do. We can regret the words we said. But it's the truth. She's gone. Sticks and stones don't hurt as hard as we think. We're not weak. We're human. Depressed, searching for someone to lean on. Sticks and stones. To all those who left the earth because of others, shame on them for being so terrible to another person, so bad that they made them want to die. Cecily. Have a nice day. Don't be bullied. Be more heroic.